Hello. 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 Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? You please unmute your mic. Unmute
Okay,
your
sir. Sorry.
unmute. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Absolutely no problem. Basavaraj, how are you?
Yes, sir.
You are a
I am very good.
yeah,
How about you, sir?
fine. You are attending classes regularly. Very happy.
Yes, sir.
Acha, please tell me what is your qualification?
Sir, I am become, sir.
Oh, good. Can you introduce yourself in Kannada?
Okay, sir.
Can you introduce yourself in Kannada briefly?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ದಿಡ್ಡಿ. ನಾನು ಅಣ್ಣಿಗೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹಾಗೂ PUC ಅನ್ನು ಅಮೃತೇಶ್ವರ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಯಸ್ಸು 23 ವರ್ಷ. ನನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಓದುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಯ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡುವುದು ಸರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರ್. ಅಂಡ್ okay sir, that's all about myself sir.
No. You can tell some more strengths also about you. I am a quick learner. I am a
Okay, sir.
hardworking person. I take up responsibilities. I
Okay.
possess leadership style. I am a good team player. I want to
Okay.
shoulder more and more problems and solve. And I am interested in serving people.
Okay sir. Sir, may I tell in our achievements like award winning sir?
Yeah, you can tell about whatever prizes you have won also. If you are,
Okay.
if it is during college days, you can tell, not during school.
Okay sir, college days in PUC second year I won some taluka level quiz competition sir, and I have also award certificate sir.
Good. You can
Okay, sir.
you can mention that. Good, very good. What is your father?
My father is a farmer sir.
Acha, which district are you living? Which village?
Karnataka state Dharwad district sir.
Acha, village name. What is your village name?
Annigeri.
Okay.
Annigeri.
Acha. What is grown in your field?
Groundnut and cotton sir.
Oh, groundnut and cotton. Good. Excellent. ఇప్పుడు what is growing now? ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్లాంట్ చేశారు? What has been planted now?
Now is hesaru sir. Hesaru. You mean hesaru kaada?
Hesaru means you mean dal?
Ha sir. Yes.
Dal.
Yes sir.
Tur dal, urad dal, like that. What did you say? What did you say? What is the Kannada word you told?
Hesaru kaadu.
Hesaru means spelling what?
HA.
One minute.
Okay sir.
HA.
SA. RU.
SARU.
Hesaru kaadu.
Asaru kalu.
Yes sir. Please translate in English sir.
Asaru kalu means Asaru kalu palya pachai payaru sundal navaratri recipe. Acha. It's a dal only.
Okay.
Dal. Very good. Excellent. Now, do you help your daddy in the agriculture?
Yes sir. Of course.
Acha. Good. What are you doing in the field?
It's like what in say in English in cultivation, in helping in cultivation, like and removing bad colors.
Kale. You can tell in Kannada, no problem. Tell in Kannada.
Okay.
What are the things you are doing in the field? Tell me in Kannada.
Free time, sir.
Free time low. What are the things you are doing in the field?
Field, okay, ಸರ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಕಳೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡಿಸುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೀನ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್
Everything you will do.
fertilizer sir.
Putting fertilizer, manures,
Yes, sir.
and all that. Very good.
Yes.
So you are doing that. Good, good, good. Very happy. So
Thank you, sir.
when did you complete your graduation?
Sir, in 2020, sir.
Very good. Only 2020. Are you appearing for other bank exams also?
Yes, sir. I have appeared Karnataka Bank one first, sir, and IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, sir.
Very good. This time IBPS RRB PO? RRB
Yes, sir.
clerk?
Exams in 13th, sir.
RRB clerk you are writing on 13th. Oh,
Yes.
then I will give a question from there.
Okay, sir.
One
Please.
minute. I will ask a question for you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just a minute. Just a minute. Current affairs, Sakti current affairs video, Mahendra vocabulary. Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
1 minute, kindly hold. Just for fun only, not serious.
Okay, sir.
Desktop. Revive from July. Yeah. Then RRB. I will ask simple question only. That which I know the answer only I will ask.
Okay, sir. I will try it.
You take a paper, pen and all that.
1 second, sir. Okay, sir.
The sum of the, or I can show it on the screen itself.
Okay, sir.
27. Question number 27.
What's his name?
Are you able to read?
1 second. Share is screen is sharing, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to read now?
Yes, sir. Sum of length. Sir,
Sum of-
I did not see this what
Measurement. Chadugu, you have not studied measurements?
yes, sir. I am not, sir. I am just simplification of quadratic equation, some arithmetic, few topics, sir, only.
Oh, the sum of the length of a rectangle and the side of a square is sum of the length of a rectangle and the side of a square is 36 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 42 meters and the breadth of the rectangle is 9 meters, then find the measurement of the side of square. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle?
2 into L into B, sir.
No,
I guess.
no. 2 into L plus B. 2L plus 2B
Sir. 2L
plus 2B.
That's simply, sir. 2 into L into B, sir. Bracket.
No. 2 into L into B will be 2LB, that is area. No, LB is area. Perimeter means this side.
Total.
Perimeter.
Sir.
Perimeter means what? 2 times length, 2 times breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Here what is given? Breadth of the rectangle is 9 meters. That means 2B is equal to how much?
B is equal to
1 breadth is equal to 9 meters. 2 breadth is equal to how much?
equal to 18, sir, I guess.
Is 18. What is the
Yes.
perimeter given for our rectangle?
It's 42, sir.
1 minute.
Perimeter.
1 minute. Just now our friend Prasanna has come. Prasanna, are you able to see the problem on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Question number 27. Can you read?
The sum of the length of a rectangle and the side of a square is 36 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 42 meters and the breadth of the rectangle is 9 meters, then find the measurement of the side of the square in meters.
Mm.
Sir, do you want me to solve it?
Yeah, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is something interesting. Let it be like this. Basavaraj, Didi.
sir.
Yeah. Now let us go to some other questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 24, sir. 24 meters.
See how nicely she has done it quickly.
Yes.
Basavaraj Didi, immediately she could solve it. 24 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
If you want me to explain, I will explain like this. The breadth of the rectangle is given as 9. So 2 breadth is equal to 18. Two breadth is equal to 18. So
Sir.
length of the rectangle is 42 minus 18 is equal to 24.
Okay, sir.
So what is the side of one length is equal to 12.
Okay, sir.
In the first line problem, what they have given, sum of the length of rectangle side of square is 36 meters. So now length of rectangle is 12. 12 plus square, side of square A is equal to 36. 12 plus A is equal to 36. So A is equal to 36 minus 12 is equal to 24.
Okay, sir.
So what is the answer they have given? Let me see. What she has told is correct. Good, Prasanna, you answered very quickly. Are you appearing for IBPS RRB clerks?
No, sir, because there is no vacancy in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry.
See, this is the answer. What is your name, Basavaraj? Please go through
Okay.
this.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
2 into L plus 9 is equal to 42. Two into L plus 9 is equal to 42.
Okay, sir.
2L is equal to 24.
L is equal to 12.
L is equal to 12.
Okay, sir.
Then it is given in the problem that is 36. Length of the rectangle and length and side of the square is given as 36. So 36 minus 12 is equal to 24 meters. Could you follow?
Okay, sir. I will.
Now, can you explain this to us now? Talk in English. Explain about this in English.
In the given problem, sir, they mentioned that the rectangle and the square is equal to 36, sir.
Yeah.
The formula is 2 plus L plus they given 9 meter as a perimeter, sir.
Good.
And when we subtract 9 in 36, we get 24, sir. 2L is equal to 24, sir.
Mm.
L is equal to 12 meter, 12, sir.
Mm.
So measurement of side is square 36 plus 12, sir.
36
Plus 12.
plus 12 or
24.
minus 12.
Oh, one minus, sir. Minus 12, sir.
It's equal to 24 meters.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see how Prasanna is explaining about this. Prasanna, can you explain this problem?
Sir, I always write all the informations in the form of equations. So first sentence I wrote as L plus A is equal to 36.
Ah,
Because
correct.
length plus side is equal to 36.
Hmm.
And then I wrote the perimeter was given. So I wrote 2 into L plus B is equal to 42.
Hmm.
And then the next information was the breadth. So I substituted 9 in the place of B, and I solved it, and I got the length as 12.
Hmm.
Now substituting the L in the first equation, the L plus A is equal to 36. Substituting L in that equation, I got A is equal to 24.
Correct. Good. Basavaraj, could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Now, let me go to questions for you. Yeah. So you talked about self. Can you tell us about your family?
Me, sir.
Can you tell about your family?
Okay, sir.
Only you, Basavaraj.
Okay, sir.
She has just
My
come from
family
the.
consists
Yeah.
of 4 members, sir. My brother, my father, my mother, and my brother.
Hmm.
My father is a farmer, and my mother is homemaker, and my brother is also studying for bank exams, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, what do you know about RBI?
RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is our central bank of central bank of our India, and it is established under committee Hilton Young Committee, sir, in 1935 April, sir.
Hereafter, whenever they ask any details about any bank,
Sir.
etc., don't tell history.
Sir.
No history. You will tell the present position. What is RBI? Where is
sir.
its headquarters? Who is the governor? What are the
sir.
functions of RBI? If you know something about the latest monetary policy committee, you tell about that. That's all.
Okay.
Try.
Okay, sir. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, and it is our central bank of India, and its governor is Mr. Shaktikant Das, and it has 4 deputy governors, sir.
Correct.
And then what? Its functions is controlling money supply, lending of last resort, bankers to bank, and then what? One
Bankers.
second.
Hmm.
Bankers control, sir. Then provide statistical information, sir.
Hmm.
Right. Then
Yes.
agriculture loans, sir, in the NABARD. No, sir.
That is not RBI. That is not RBI. So I think I have told you more than in one class. RBI is the central bank of our country. Governor is Shaktikanta Das. RBI is bankers to bank,
Sir.
bankers to government,
Okay, sir.
note issuing authority,
Sir.
controller of foreign exchange,
Okay.
then monetary policy authority. That's all. These are the
Okay, sir.
5 things you have to tell specifically like this. Good. So RBI function problem over. Now tell me, Karnataka Bank, who is the MD and CEO or chairman? Which name you know?
Okay, Sri Mahabaleshwar MS, sir. He is the chairman of the Karnataka Bank Limited, sir.
Very good. Where is its headquarters?
It's Mangalore, sir.
Mangalore. Mangalore, correct. Can you tell me the name of another bank having headquarters in Mangaluru?
Cooperation Bank Limited, sir.
Then
Then Mangalore only 2 banks, sir. And in Bangalore, Canara Bank Canara Bank,
No,
sir.
wrong. Corporation Bank is now not there. Corporation Bank has been merged with the Union Bank.
Okay, sir.
Now what is available? Another bank, Karnataka Bank.
Karnataka Bank only one, sir. In Mangalore.
Sorry. Yeah. We are talking about that only. Very good. Karnataka Bank. Good. Can you name a few private sector banks?
HDFC Bank, sir.
Mm,
ICICI Bank, Axis Bank,
mm,
then Federal Bank,
mm,
Karnataka Bank.
Good.
Then-
Very good.
Okay.
Can you tell me what is the concept of basic banking?
Basic banking function is accepting deposit from who have surplus of money and provide whom it is need for concern.
Good. Very good. Who is Rishi Sunak?
Rishi Sunak is the chair. British is sir. What I say? President, so president not. He is the Britain Prime Minister. Yes,
Now,
Britain Prime.
yeah, we will ask
Now,
Prasanna, can you tell me who is Rishi Sunak?
Sir, no, sir, I'm not aware.
Why? This is the very much available news in the newspapers.
Rishi Sunak, sir.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
I think it was like today's news or something.
No. Last 15 days, this news is going on. In Britain, the Prime Minister has resigned, and
Yes, sir, that I'm aware.
Mr. Rishi Sunak was the finance minister in his
Okay, sir.
cabinet, and Rishi Sunak is now contesting for becoming Prime Minister. He is one among the top 2 people. The result of this will be known on September 10. And we are all interested in Rishi Sunak because Mr. Rishi Sunak is the son-in-law of
Murthy, sir.
Mr. M.B. Narayana Murthy, the founder
The
of
founder of
Infosys. That is why we are all interested in it. Now,
yes, sir. I just forgot the name.
yeah. Now, I will ask Basavaraj. Basavaraj, tell me who is Jerome Powell? Jerome Powell. Powell.
Sorry, sir, I didn't about here, sir.
Chairman, Jerome Powell is the chairman of the Federal Reserve of United States. In India, RBI is the central bank. Shaktikanta Das is the governor. Similarly, in America, the central bank name is Federal Reserve. Chairman's name is Jerome Powell. All these questions have been asked in today's interview, 11th August. Which newspaper do you read?
Sorry, sir, I didn't read any newspaper.
You should not tell like that.
Okay.
You must tell that you are reading Hindu or Times of India or your own local newspaper you are reading, and you must read right from today.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Can you tell? Yeah.
Please, suggest what paper is useful for competitive exam, sir?
No,
For
the Hindu.
The Hindu.
The Hindu or Times of India.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, I will ask simple questions. Please tell me the names of deposits of banks.
Okay, sir. There are mainly 2 types of deposits, on the time deposit and demand deposit. In a demand deposit, there are saving bank account and current account, and a time deposit, fixed account, fixed deposit, and recurring deposits, sir.
Good. What is a scheduled bank?
Scheduled bank are those banks which are which are registered or section something, sir. Section of
No. With scheduled bank is a bank which is included in the second schedule of RBI Act
okay, sir.
1934. What is the condition for the banks to be included in the scheduled bank list? What is the minimum paid up and authorized capital and paid up capital? How much it should be?
Minimum capital is, sir, 5 lakhs, sir.
Very good, good. How many small finance banks do we have now?
Small finance bank, sir.
Hmm,
I guess 14, sir.
12.
12. Okay, sir.
12 finance banks. How many payment banks are there with us now?
6.
Correct. Good. Now, how many RRBs are there?
43, sir.
Very
43.
good. Very good. How many public sector banks are there?
There are 12 public sector bank. One is a state bank, and other 11 is nationalized bank, sir.
11 are
11 are.
number plural, and if it is plural, you have to use the word or. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. So, you are a commerce student. Can you
Yes, sir.
tell me what is trial balance?
Trial balance is the statement, or it is a result of equals. You meant to say trial balance, sir. It is a trading account. It is a trading account.
Trial balance is a statement, say, is balances, debit balances and credit balances taken from the general ledger, and it
Okay, sir.
must tally. If it doesn't tally, there is some error, and we have to find that error.
Okay, sir.
Trial balance should tally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Your lot of fear in your mind. That fear should not be there. And
Okay, sir.
you must talk confidently, and you should read a lot, especially newspaper. And why are you not going through what I am sending you every day? I am sending
And
current affairs snippets. Why you are all not reading it? Not only you, 100 people, nobody is reading it. You must read it, then only you will know current affairs. This Rishi
Okay.
Sunak, Jerome Powell, everything has come in that news.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Prasanna, did I give you time today? I don't remember. Have I given you time
Yes,
today?
sir. Yes, sir. You said 11th of August, 7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. Acha. Oh, 7:30 p.m. over. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now, shall we? I will talk to you for about 10 minutes now, Prasanna.
Yes, sir.
And then again, from after our English class is over, I will talk to you around 8:40.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, good. Now,
Thank-
Prasanna Gayatri, this is your second interview with me, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me, you are an English literature student.
Yes, sir.
What makes you develop interest in joining banking service?
Yes, sir. During my graduation, I started knowing about a lot of global happenings. And since I came to know about that, I felt that banking was one of the fields where I can feel close to what is happening in the globe, not just from the perspective of economy or finance, but also geographically, politically, and even socially, sir.
Good. Now, what do you think is the job role of a bank clerk?
Sir, clerks are the frontline staffs who carry out a certain functions such as making sure the KYC making sure the compliance of KYC is carried out,
Mm.
and uh, uh, answering the questions of the customers, basically satisfying the needs of the customers, and printing passbooks, and keeping account of all the withdrawals and deposits and so on, sir.
Mm. Good. Now, can you tell me the names of 5 North Indian states and their capitals?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Mizoram,
Mm.
Aizawl,
Mm.
and Maharashtra, Mumbai,
Mm.
Rajasthan, Jaipur,
Mm.
Bihar, Patna,
Correct.
West Bengal, Kolkata.
Correct. Recently, Bihar was in news. Why?
Sir, I'm not
You
aware,
why,
sir.
you are not going through newspaper. Why?
Sir,
Bihar, there is
sir, I
lot.
have the habit of reading editorials, but I
You
just
must
only
you
read
must
the
read
editorials because they
news.
are.
You must read news. Today's interview, they have asked this question because yesterday there was a Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. He resigned on Tuesday. He again took charge on Wednesday.
Mhm.
Earlier, he was having arrangement with BJP. Now he is having arrangement with
Mhm.
RJD. And the Deputy Chief Minister's name is Tejashwi Yadav, son of Lallu Prasad Yadav.
Yes, sir.
So, no, you must
Yes, sir.
read newspaper because the questions
sir.
will be based on that only. Okay. Now,
Yes,
I will ask without mentioning that. Now,
Mhm.
what are the loans offered by the bank?
Particularly by Karnataka Bank or
Generally.
general? Yes, sir. Auto loans, that is car loans or vehicle loans, and education loans, home loans, and uh, there is public sector lending, under which there comes MSMEs and other like renewable energies and etc. And we also have personal loans where usually the interest is high uh, and etc.
No. This public
Gold loan.
sector. No, you said public sector MSME. That is wrong. It is not public sector. Loans to
Priority sector.
Acha. You said public sector.
Oh, yes, sir. I
While
must have
telling you
confused
said
it.
public sector, it is priority sector. Good.
Priority
That's it. Yeah.
sector.
Can you name some other important types of loans under priority sector?
Sir, some percentage of loan is given to marginal farmers and also for women, and MSME sector, renewable energy, and for education also, and so that is all I can recollect, sir.
Actually, this it is given in the book itself. First is agriculture.
Mhm.
First is agriculture, then housing,
Housing.
then education,
Yes, sir.
then exports,
Exports.
then MSME,
Yes, sir.
then small loans. That
Yes,
is
sir.
loans given to self-help group and others. Then
Mhm.
renewable energy, infrastructure, startups.
Infrastructure, startups.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this you have to go through that book and search like priority sector. You will get a material from Byju's or material from Reserve Bank of India website itself. You have to go
Yes, sir.
through because sometimes they may ask tough questions like loans up to how much is covered under housing loan. That,
Yes, sir. 35 lakhs.
uh,
35 lakhs in the urban areas and 20 lakhs in rural areas, I think, sir.
25.
25 lakhs.
Yeah. How much education loan is covered under priority sector?
10 lakhs.
Now 20 lakhs. Earlier,
sir.
there was a condition up to 20 lakhs only given for education in India, and for foreign education maximum loan up to 20 lakhs. Now also that condition stays, but now priority sector is up to 20 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, how much of loan must be given to agriculture loan? It is 18% of the total advances.
Yes, sir.
And
And the percentage goes up for RRBs and cooperative banks.
how much it is?
Sir, it is 25%, I think.
Again, about agriculture, I don't know, but priority sector banks, commercial banks have to give 40%,
40%.
whereas the small finance banks and cooperative banks have to give 75%.
75%. Yes, sir.
To priority sector. That's what it is. Good. Now, can you tell me the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
Yes, sir. In fixed deposit, a lump sum money is deposited in one attempt, in one go, and in recurring deposits, a fixed amount of money is deposited every month. And in fixed deposit, the interest payable is either on monthly basis or on quarterly basis. But in recurring deposit, we don't have that facility. And in fixed deposit, the minimum amount is 5,000 rupees, and in recurring deposit, it is 500 rupees per month. And the minimum period of closing the deposit account would be 7 days for fixed deposit and 6 months for recurring deposit, sir.
No. See, actually, fixed deposits are open minimum period of 7 days, maximum 10 years. Whereas recurring deposits are open minimum period 6 months, max 10 years. Exception where the deposit is in the name of minor, it can be opened till the minor attaining majority.
Yes, sir.
This is the point. Good.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have a query.
Yeah.
SB account limited is the minimum SB account.
SB account, there are minimum balances prescribed by banks differently for urban some limit, semi-urban some limit, and rural area some limit. But there are accounts known as no frills account, PMJDY. Basic savings bank account. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Now, can you tell me, Prasanna, what is bank rate?
Bank rate definition or the current bank rate, sir?
Definition.
Yes, sir. Bank rate is the rate at which RBI lends the banks for a long term without any collateral.
What is a definition of a repo rate?
Repo rate is the rate at which RBI gives out short-term loans to banks.
Good.
Against qualified SLRs.
Good. Then can you explain what is KYC? Tell the important aspects relating to KYC.
Yes, sir. KYC expands to know your customer. It is the process by which the identity of the customer and the address proof of the customer is verified in order to open a secure account and to make sure that the person is authentic. The identity of the person is authentic, and there are 6 officially valid documents as notified by the government of India. Those are PAN card, driver's license, Aadhaar card, Manrega job card, passport, and voter's identity card, sir.
Good, very good. What do you know as cost